But first, separating fact from fiction about coronavirus is hard enough, everything you read on social media, but it's especially tough when you consider the health of your kids and the upcoming school year, which is now just weeks away. Thanks for being with us. I'm Patrick Nolan. My colleague Rochelle Aline has been taking some of your most pressing questions. We're hearing from you right to the leaders at Golisano Children's Hospital in South Fort Myers.
We have thousands of people joining us, and we anticipate a large volume of questions.
It's a forum a lot of parents had been waiting for.
We're hearing a lot of things, but most of it pertains to adults. So, there's so many unanswered questions about kids.
When it comes to the topic of your kids and COVID-19. Right off the bat Wednesday, leaders at Golisano Children's answered a frequently debated question.
Children can get COVID-19, just like adults, but less so. And kids tend to do much better.
In fact, doctors said so far, the younger the kids are, the better they've been able to bounce back from the virus. And finally, the question that's been on so many minds.
What do you think about returning to school in Lee County? If I believed that my child would have the discipline necessary to wear their mask properly at all times, wash their hands appropriately, and practice social distancing, I would send my children back to school.
We spoke to a Lee County mom of 3 who also watched the forum, and she says her oldest 2 kids understand these guidelines best.
My middle schooler, she does, I think she really does have a good handle on understanding it. She really stays on her little brother a lot about washing his hands and not putting his hands in his mouth.
But for now, she's deciding to keep them home for the upcoming school year.
Fortunately, I'm able to make the decision to do virtual for my kids right now.
And she adds that when it comes to making that decision, parents should do what they feel is best for their family.
I would just encourage parents to get as informed as you can and don't be too hard on yourself, because it's not an easy decision whether you choose to send your child back to school or you choose to wait it out.
In Fort Myers, Rochelle Aline, Fox 4, in your corner.